Hello, this is Thomas giving you a quick update on my BC95 cooling box. I've taken this box off the other hive to modify it, and I'm putting a double fan right here on this Peltier cooler. I've drilled another hole there, another ventilation there. I put a filter on the outside. I'm going to put a filter in here to have the air clean. I changed all the hardwood cloth on it all along the side. I put that together there. I was going to show you the temperature of the Peltier cooler, and then I'll take you outside and show you how well the bees are doing in the big box hive. Okay, this Peltier cooler gets down to 74, 76, in the middle, 68, 73, it bounces around on the side, jumps all over the place, but for the most part it is getting nice and cool. I'm going to put another fan right on top of it and have double suction for the small hive. The other box, I'm going to take you out there right now and show you where they're at and how they're doing. So let's go. Got me a air conditioning fan under the patio there. I put this box on the little hive yesterday to see how they would be doing, and their temperature inside their doorway there is 97, 90, 98 degrees. They don't have a cooling box at all. That's inside their doorway. These ones, they got a cooling box on top, and you can see how many are out there. Let me zoom in a little better. Okay, get this lined up. They're going inside the box. It's 97 degrees. They're not bearding nowhere near where they were. They're still bearding. I need to give them a bigger ventilation hole right here. That's way too small, I believe. Over here on the top, there's suction going in. It's 99. The humidity right now, 30.6. The AC is 36.6. So they are staying a whole lot cooler than before. I'm not going to get too close. Oh. Okay, one got me. I got a little mad. I'm stepping away. Anyway, I don't got a suit on. But I'll give you another update. I'm going to put that box I'm building right now on the small hive. The big one I'm going to tear them down tomorrow, I believe, and put that bottom board. Oh, he got me again. That's twice. Anyway, sorry about that. I don't got my suit on. They're mad from yesterday, I believe, but we're gonna give them another cooling box, hook it up for them tomorrow, and I'm gonna finish up this one here, and I'll give you an update, and we'll see how it goes and how cool I can get them. This is Thomas, the Unorthodox Beekeeper, signing out.